a lady or a family comes to know that there is baby going to come in the house, everybody in the family is very much happy. So they are very much excited to take care of the lady who is pregnant. So there is always confusion or queries in the mind of family members what to do exactly.
Please press the subscribe button and bell icon on your YouTube app. Stay tuned with Small Big Things for healthy living tips.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel Small Big Things. I am Dr. Vag and today's topic we are going to discuss is tips to take care in first trimester of pregnancy, especially when the ladies are getting pregnant for the first time. Keep hydrated well, as there is an increase in the blood volume of a pregnant lady. So, to increase this blood volume, the lady should consume at least 10 glasses of water per day. This well hydration of body also helps to reduce the fatigue, nausea, and constipation and preterm labor. Have frequent small meals rather than having typical 3 meals a day. In every meal, the lady should try to see that there is an avoidance of high calorie diet in the form of sugar and fat. Increase in the fiber content, iron content, and folic acid content in the meal. So she should take the foods which are rich in these constituents. The next one is she should also increase the proteins in her diet to fulfill the demands of the body in the form of poultry and fishes. The whole grains are very much helpful to satisfy these demands. There is also increased need of calcium and iron which is provided to the body from green leafy vegetables. Increase the consumption of fruits which are rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium. You can satisfy these needs from citrus fruits and banana. Having folic acid in the form of supplements or in the meal is very much important because in the first trimester, consumption of this folic acid prevents the congenital defects like spina bifida and anencephaly. Avoid heavy meals or oily and spicy foods in the evening time because such type of food consumption causes more of acidity to the lady and disturbs her sleep at night time. Alcohol in the any form or tobacco in the any form like smoking or chewing tobacco or even a cup of coffee may harm the baby in the form of miscarriage, stillbirths, premature labor or defects in the baby. So try to avoid or try to stop taking alcohol or doing smoking. How to cope up with the fatigue in the first trimester of pregnancy. Some females have a tendency to have a nausea and vomiting for their first trimester of pregnancy, which usually disappears by the end of the first trimester. And this nausea and vomiting causes fatigue. Even the other body changes makes the lady to feel more tired than the routine life. So the things advised to the lady that she should stop doing overwork. Try to take the help of the other members in the family. Always try to say no if the work is not in her capacity. She is advised to take a small naps in the afternoon time. If the lady is working, she can request to her in charge or subordinate for the same. The ladies should fix their bedtime and cut off their work at particular period in the night. This gives the sufficient amount of sleep which keeps the lady fresh throughout the day. To have less disturbance in the sleep at night time, the ladies can consume more amount of fluid in the daytime and less amount of fluid in the evening because this less amount of fluid or water consumption in the evening times prevents the frequent trips to the bathroom. There is also question of increase in the weight because some ladies are very much conscious about their weight. But remember that as there is a baby growing inside the womb, there should always be increase in the weight. So ladies should not worry for their body structure as because of the hormonal changes, there is a changes in bodies. The expected weight gain in first trimester of pregnancy for ladies having average weight should be 25 to 30 pounds. The ladies who are overweight or obese, the weight gain should be between 15 to 20 pounds. And ladies who are lean or underweight should increase their weight by 35 to 45 pounds. Some ladies suffer very badly from the morning sickness, that is nausea and vomiting after getting up in the morning. I am going to do a separate video on this morning sickness. Some ladies suffer stress because the excitement of a newcomer or a baby in the house makes them excited. And some body changes or hormonal changes makes the lady to suffer a stress. There are some yoga techniques and deep breathing exercises which makes lady to de-stress herself. For de-stressing herself, she can take the help of her family members, friends, office mates and her parents. It is also found that some ladies suffer mood swings and depression. It is all because of hormonal changes in the body. Some yoga techniques, pranayamas and deep breathing exercises helps to cope up with these problems. Exercise during first trimester of pregnancy. The ladies are expected to do exercise in the first trimester of pregnancy, but this exercise should not be done over enthusiastically because it may cause a miscarriage in some ladies. The exercise should not be done in very hot environment, or there should not be overheating caused due to the exercises. Drink water before, during and after the exercises because drinking this water replaces the amount of fluid which is lost in the sweat, and it also helps to increase the blood volume which is a need in the first trimester of pregnancy. Do deep breathing exercises which are very much helpful in the first trimester of pregnancy. But do not forget to do warm-up exercises before the breathing exercises. Do exercises at a moderate level. If you are feeling tired with the exercises, then stop doing the exercises. There are also some asanas which are advisable to do in the first trimester of pregnancy, which I am going to discuss you in my next video. Please share this video with your friends, colleagues and relatives too. And subscribe to my channel Small Big Things for regular updates. Bye bye.